friends, we are so happy that you are today with us. And right now I will show you how to create a new group chat on the Snapchat app. So let's go to the button. The first step is to open our Snapchat app. And later we need to go to this chat option, which is located on the bottom bar of the screen. Later let's pick on this special blue icon and pick on the new group feature. So as we can check right now, we will create a new chat, a new group chat. So let's pick on the dots beside people you want to add to this chat, but remember that you can add only your friends here. Not we have the list of all your subscriptions, our subscriptions, but only our friends can be added to the group chat. So to not make a mistake, let's choose only our friends as I said, and let's tap on this chat with the group feature. And well done. Unfortunately we have only one friend, so this chat looks like the usual chat, but as you can check, you can add a lot of many people here and to make a really big group. So without any troubles we can use our chat as usual, and yes, very nice that this option is possible on Snapchat. So guys, if this tutorial was useful, don't forget about likes and subscribe to our HardReset.Info channel to check even more cool features and tutorials about Snapchat and other applications. So goodbye!